increase of spectrum cases?
There's a number of different controversies, conspiracies, speculations. I can't determine, I don't know in that sense. And one aspect of these areas I don't invest too much time through also is the epidemiology, the history of the evolution of how it emanated. My infatuation is more within the context of the metaphysical and the phenomenological aspect of mental disorder, because there's a specific type of atypicals or non-neurotypicals who have a sort of tapestry. There's a sort of interconnectivity they have with what we perceive as reality. So my infatuation is in that area itself. When you get into areas like existentialism and epistemology, one idea is solipsism, where a person goes into mania and they take on all these different sorts of philosophical approach. One idea of psychoanalysis and psychodynamics, which originated with Sigmund Freud, which is the one aspect is the whole idea of the relationship between the subconscious and the conscious. So I find these areas intriguing in terms of when a person's external stimulus, visual sarcasm, the concept of Mr. Pregnant is the perfect embodiment to materialize these ideas.
But I mean, it's at its core though, it's you without a shirt on, and you're saying like you're making up songs over like well-known backing tracks.
Yeah.
How do you reconcile the very philosophical part of you with also this really absurdist side? There's like what I'm trying to say is there's more than just two Adelstons. There's like a